My Ram 1500 keeps telling me to check the fuel cap. I did. I even replaced it. But that's not the problem. This is, and it's an easy $25 fix. Here's how. I crawled under the passenger side of my truck and located this thing. It's called the ESIM, or Evaporative System Integrity Monitor. Basically, it just monitors the EVAP system for vapor leaks, and apparently these go bad all the time. To remove it, I had to unplug the electrical connector and pull off this hose. There's a tab on the back you have to squeeze in, then twist counterclockwise and pull straight out. This is the hardest part, and tiny hands would really help. Here's an easy way to tell if it's bad. I replaced the seal, then stuck the new one in and twisted it clockwise, making sure the tab locked into place. It's a little tight with the new seal, but that's probably a good thing. Once I had it fully seated, I reconnected that hose and plugged it back in. The code should go away on its own after a few drive cycles, but since I have this cheap scan tool, I cleared the codes before going on a test drive. That took care of the check engine light, but I did have to drive it to get rid of the error message. And now it's gone. Hopefully you watch this video before you waste your money on a new gas cap, like I did. I don't just make videos about fixing my broken truck, I also do fun projects, so stick around and watch another video. You don't want to crawl under your truck right now anyway.